like that. Okay. I need to adjust my seat a little bit.
Alright.
There, that's better.
Okay, now why are we not moving?
You got a whistle?
Yeah, he does.
You have a whistle other than for yourself? Huh?
He could whistle so loud.
Here.
Here.
Okay. Get in. You're good. You're gonna think you're gonna get in. Don't tempo too much. Keep it balanced.
Oh my God. It's hard.
Head first.
Keep it balanced. Keep it balanced. You hurt your butt in the center. There you go.
What are you eating, Sasha?
What did you eat?
I
She's
need to
eating
make it
something.
longer.
You just eat anything, huh?
She's enjoying her life.
Fine.
I don't know. Probably a root or who knows. What'd you find? Some poop?
Now how are we going to move?
You're not doing well, huh?
Look here, look here.
Stay in the center, dear.
Sasha, you wanna go with them? Sasha, you wanna go?
It's not Gene. No. Gene, don't let her go any further. She jumped off the dock last time. She didn't realize it was Gene. She panicked. She was like, so I had to grab her.
Never seen a dog.
That's more of a
They're
canoe.
real dangerous. Flip over, you can't get out of it.
I have a kayak.
I think a canoe is safer than a kayak.
Get a canoe. I have a canoe.
Sasha is following you guys.
Come on, Sasha, swim.
I don't like that. High school.
Yep.
These kids
Go
out of
swim,
kit.
Sasha, go.
Pretty neat.
They can swim.
Sasha.
Indians used to make them. Indians. They make theirs.
They make the ones out of hide. Once they got resins available, they still did it. They made nice canoes. I like waterproof.
Sasha, come back.
It's okay, honey. Let her enjoy it.
Yeah, she can swim.
Go in and save her.
No, but
She can swim.